Do you know what is the most difficult part of drawing a portrait? Yes, you guessed it right, it's the face angles. Let's see something real easy, really basic, how to approach towards it. Today let's talk about two angles. One I have already drawn, as you can see, and one I'll draw. So once these two are done, hopefully just by understanding this, what I'm trying to mention, probably you can go and then implement it for any angles possible. Yeah. So this one, if you see, so this guy is looking towards the left and a little bit tilted his face. So this part is very important. So this is the part where the center of the both eyes will be there, and this part is where your chin lies, and this is the head. And this part, if you think, this part will give you a very good understanding of the 3D nature of a face. So if you see this is where the chin and ending is touching. So this is where the ear will be. It will be always behind this. And more importantly, so if you see this is if you think about a 3D structure, this and this. So this is on the left hand side and this is on the right hand side, if you can visualize this. Let me do the next one real quick. If you see, it takes just minutes, but this will help you set for that baseline so that your drawing is nice, your portrait is nice. Now that I finished it, let's talk about it quickly in detail so that you can understand, and then just whenever you are creating, you will also put that into effect. So first, if you see, I started off with this. This is the main part of a portrait of a face. That's the core of your skull. So this is the first part you need to perfect. And some people has a bigger one, some people has a smaller one, and that's the way you reach towards perfection. So first, your skull, the core of your face, should be done properly. It's not exactly in circle. Some like to draw in circle, some like to draw in an oval shape. You can choose whatever you want. So yeah, going to the next part. So after once you're done with that, then you need to think about, so there are, what I like to call it is an extension. So it's like these jaw lines, it's just an extension from your skull. So you start with this first line, then this is your basic the chin part, and from the chin there is this another jawline that's coming, right? So and more importantly, you need to know where the ear is. So if you just draw a proper structure here, the ear is always behind it. So it's just, these are the little detail if you think about it, and then if you try to, so it's just right there. So it's not actually behind as well, and it's not in the if you just put it before it, then it will look weird. So that's how the human face is structured, right? So of course, if you you need to go through a little bit of anatomy. I was very bad at biology though, but yeah, you can learn a little bit of anatomy to understand the structure of human face, so it's easier for you to draw, right? Once that is done, you need to know anyway, you know that this guy is looking below, a little bit below, and also his face is a little bit down, tilted towards the down side. So this place, this will be the center of where if I have to draw eyes, I'll start with eyebrows here, and the eye will start from here. So this is how I'm going to do. So this is the place where you can put the eyes in. This is the place where the nose and bottom of the nose will go, right? And this is where you can mention this is where the hairline will start from, right? So, or you can, it depends on the person. Some people will have it here, some people can go until a little bit behind. But and also this circle, this if you're drawing it like in the beginning, you can use this circle. So this will give you that perspective of different planes. So this is a plane, this will be from this side, and this is another plane from the left hand side, right? So yes, this is just the basics you can start off with, and probably if you like something like this, I'll try to put more tutorials like this. Thank you so much, and do let me know, of course, if you prefer these kind of tutorials more rather than in a more detailed one. So these are the basic ones, and you can go into more detailed ones later. Thank you so much.